Hello viewers, welcome to 𝗙𝗵𝗁𝗁. Thank you so much for coming in our 𝗙𝗵𝗁𝗁. So guys, today I will show you how to create Facebook account without your email and mobile number, unlimited create Facebook account. So first of all, you can go to your Facebook, then create new Facebook account, click here, then next, then you can choose your name. So I can choose right now in example the name. Then next, look guys, enter your mobile number, then you can go sign up with email. So viewers, now you can see view the option email address. So how to add your email address without your personal on email account. Okay, so first of all you can go to Play Store, then you can install the application. Viewers, check the application name, temp mail responsible inbox. Okay, I already adding the link description, you can check the description link. Okay, then you can go to the application, check the application, then copy the name. Okay, then you can put the email address, then next, then what is your birthday, you can choose your birthday, then next. Viewers, see on the screen what is your gender, like you guys, are you female or like you are a male, so you can choose the different gender. Okay, then I have choose one male. Then guys, you can choose your password, then I can choose one password. Okay, then next, then viewers, last step, finish sign up. You can click here sign up. Look the viewers, not now. Okay, then viewers, you can see the screen, enter the 5-digit code from your email. So how can you finding the code? Okay, so how can put the code? So first of all, you can go to the email. Look viewers, you can go to the email, then you can see the Facebook registration. Okay, 67717. Okay, so I put the number 67717. Okay, so I can check first, then viewers. Okay, then escape. Look viewers, finally I create the Facebook account without your on mobile number and your email account. So guys, I already show you how to create Facebook account, I mean unlimited Facebook account without your on mobile number and email account. So guys, thanks for watching. Please, if you like the video, please like, share and comment and hit the button subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you for another next video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.